Hey guys, it's me, Adrianne, getting right into this week's video with a quick tip for my version of the popular Yum Yum sauce. Guys, I had some salmon and I grilled it right on top of my electric skillet. And guys, look what I made with this salmon. These wonderful salmon burgers, they were so delicious and really good because I made this Yum Yum sauce. Guys, stay tuned for this recipe. I'm not going to hold you.
Okay guys, so I'm about to start our Yum Yum sauce, my version of Yum Yum sauce. This starts off with some Kewpie Mayonnaise. So now Kewpie Mayonnaise, you can order it online at Amazon or you can get it from Whole Foods or even your regular market. It's a Japanese mayonnaise. So I'm starting off with almost, I would say about a good 3/4 of a cup of the Kewpie Mayonnaise. And I'm going to add some regular mayonnaise right on top to round it out to make a full cup. Now, if you can't find the Kewpie mayonnaise, just use your favorite Hellmann's or whatever mayonnaise you like. Okay, so that's going to go in our combination of Kewpie and regular mayonnaise. You can go half and half, but I find that if you do about 2/3 of the Kewpie along with just finishing off the last 1/4 of a cup with your regular mayonnaise, it's a good mixture. So I'm just going to give that a good mix. Okay, so next we're going to need some spices. Now I usually don't measure, but we're just using some regular ketchup. And I would say we're going to use about a good tablespoon of ketchup. You're also going to need some Sriracha. It's really to taste. That's about a good teaspoon. Now, you're going to need a little onion powder. And I would say about a 1/2 a teaspoon. And I need some garlic powder. And about the same amount. I like to add a little black pepper. And that's really just because I like a little black pepper in it. Okay. Okay, so last but not least, I'm adding in a little fat fry seasoning. This is from Fat Spices. If you don't have this, just use your regular all-purpose seasoning. Okay. And I'm going to put in about a 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon fat fry seasoning. Okay, so that goes in. And we're just going to start to mix. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there because I need to add some paprika. I almost forgot. And you need just about a 1/2 maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon, about that much of regular ground paprika. If you like a little smokiness to your Yum Yum sauce, you can use a smoked paprika, which would be amazing in this as well. All right, so that's it for our dry spices. So far, I do have to add a little sugar, but I like to get it a little mixed in to see if I like where it's going first. All right. So if you ever been to Benihana's, you love that Yum Yum sauce. It's so delicious. All right, so I'm going to give it a little taste. That's really good. And I'm going to add some sugar. I'm adding about a teaspoon of sugar. Let's see if I like where that is. You'll see a lot of recipes call for mirin or rice vinegar. I just like a little regular white vinegar and just about a capful right in. Stir that in. And it also helps to give it some body and thin it out a little bit. You're also going to need about 2 teaspoons of water. So I'm just going to kind of measure loosely in my cap there. Stir that. All right, so I have some melted butter. I'm just going to do about 2 teaspoons. And just give it a good whisk or stir. Incorporate everything. Last but not least, I'm going to add a little white wine vinegar. We added the white distilled vinegar. Now just a little bit of the white wine vinegar. Give that a good stir. And like I said, if you have the rice wine vinegar or mirin, you can add that. That'll be just fine. But this way it works for me. And this is just my version of yum yum sauce. Okay, guys. There it is. This is going to go great on top of my salmon burgers. All right. This is my version of salmon burger with my yum yum sauce. All right, guys.